Hey guys, if the Cash App is not letting you add any money, then keep watching as I'm going to show you how we can solve this. So there's basically three different ways that we can use to fix this. The first is you need to head over to your home screen on your phone, scroll across to the App Store, and in the top right hand corner, click on your profile icon. Then scroll down slightly to the update section and just ensure you're running the latest version of the Cash App. If you do see a pending update inside of here, then go ahead and install that now. Once you've ensured you're fully up to date, you can then launch up the Cash App, and you need to ensure that you have the correct limits on your account. So in order to do this, click on your profile icon in the top right hand side, scroll all the way down to limits and select this, and in this window it will give you a little bit more information about what your limits are for your account. If you do need to increase your limits, then all you need to do is verify your identity in here, and then this will give you access to a little bit more limits on your account. If that doesn't work, then I'd recommend try using a different bank card. It could be something as simple as your bank is blocking the transaction, so you could try removing your card and using a new one. And finally, if that also doesn't work, the last thing we can do is head back over to the profile icon in the top right hand side, scroll all the way down to the bottom and select support, scroll down to the bottom again and select chat. And inside of here, you'll just need to type in your question to the Cash App support. So you can just type something like, "Hi, I'm unable to add money to my Cash App account. Please help," and the support team will be able to guide you through the steps on how to fix this. So it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing.